Hey guys, quick and easy video for you today. Today I'm just going to show you how to change your key fob battery on your Ford Focus ST or any other Ford related key fob models. Let's get right into it. So they take the 2032 batteries. So on the sides here, you'll see this little gap. I recommend a little flathead screwdriver. Go in there and pry just a little bit, try not to be too rough on it. And then there's another one over here as well. If you pry in between those, this separates. And then you got that. So your battery's right here. So use your little screwdriver. And there it is, 2032. Like, make sure the positive side goes down, which it'll be face first like this. Let's open up our new batteries. All right, new 2032 goes in just like this. And then make sure this gets lined back up right. There's a little nipple right here that'll just fall right into this hole. And this just snaps back together. And that's it. That's how you replace your key fob battery in your Ford Focus ST or any other similar Ford key fobs that look like this. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys. It really helps out. Until next time.